Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere, without banks or middlemen. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's exactly what cryptocurrency does. But how does it actually work? Stay with me for the next few minutes and you'll understand crypto in the simplest way possible. Cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike cash or credit cards, it exists only on the internet. No physical coins, no paper bills, just digital assets stored securely on a decentralized network. Unlike traditional money controlled by banks, crypto is decentralized. That means no government or central authority has control over it. Crypto works on a technology called blockchain. Think of it as a public diary where every transaction is recorded securely. Once data is added, it can't be changed, making it super secure. Let's say you send 1 Bitcoin to your friend. This transaction gets verified by a network of computers worldwide. Once approved, it's added to the blockchain, and the transfer is complete. No banks involved, no delays. Instead of banks, crypto transactions are verified by a process called mining for Bitcoin or staking for some other coins. This process ensures every transaction is legitimate and prevents fraud. Since crypto is digital, you store it in a crypto wallet. There are 2 main types. 1. Hot wallets, online wallets for quick access. 2. Cold wallets, offline wallets for extra security. Choosing the right wallet is crucial because if you lose access, there's no bank to recover your funds. Cryptocurrency is changing the world. Here's why. Fast and cheap transactions. No middlemen means lower fees. Decentralized. No government can freeze your funds. Borderless. Send money anywhere in minutes. Investment opportunity. Many see crypto as digital gold. Even big companies like Tesla and Microsoft have started accepting crypto. This is just the beginning of a financial revolution. So, now you know how cryptocurrency works. It's digital, secure, and changing the way we think about money. Want to learn more about crypto? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.